Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Valorant not opening easy and quick. First, you have to make sure that Valorant isn't half launching. So you have to keep scrolling down until you find it here. Like if you find Vanguard user mode, just end it and everything about Vanguard, Riot Games or Valorant. And then when you find it, just right click and click in task. And after that you have to restart your computer to relaunch Vanguard, and after that make sure you go to all the updates for your Windows. Type here Windows Update. You will find Windows Update settings or check for updates. So all you have to do just wait here and make sure to install all the updates that you will find, and after that it might ask you to restart your computers, so just restart it then. And now the last thing you have to do is to check your graphics card driver. Like if you have NVIDIA graphics card, just go for GeForce Experience and then just wait. Once you're here, just go for drivers and check for updates, and as you see you might find update for your graphics card, so just download it and that's it. The problem must be fixed, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.